Hey, beautiful Geminis. Welcome back, Gemini. Thank you for joining me here. Let's get you these fortune coins here. These are 22 major arcana and 3 blanks. Blanks representing things still to be revealed. Okay. We got the Chariot, the Hierophant, or is this Judgment? No, it's the Hierophant. Okay, Chariot. Ooh, a blank. And the Emperor. Well. Oh, no. Sorry, not Hierophant. Temperance. So somebody is hiding something here. Or something is to be revealed. Now we do have the Chariot signifying, yin and yang, control. Black, white ponies. What's this all about, Gemini? What does this say? This is a loving man. Oh, hidden intentions. So somebody putting negative thoughts on something. Like, this is a loving man, but someone is got dark thoughts about someone's intentions. I don't know what this is. So this masculine is on the decrease. Travel. It's about travel. And is deception. Gossip. Okay, well, somebody's holding on to a masculine energy, maybe with a marriage here. Is this about a marriage? Is this about, let's find out what this person wants to say, Gemini. What does this person want to say to Gemini? What does this person want to tell Gemini? Gemini. Someone wants to leave their past behind and start over with you. I took you for granted and I regret now I treated you unfairly. I'm so sorry, you didn't deserve it. So Gemini, what we got here is somebody ending a relationship because they had other things going on that needed their attention. I don't regret a second of this journey. I love you so much it hurts. I hurt you because it was easier for you to hate me than to tell you the truth. So this person is still spying. Now, I'm really not sure why I'm getting a lot of Sagittarian energy in here. Now, you could be dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have strong Sagittarian placements. For Temperance to be here and the Chariot, let's find out. So, I've loved you since the moment I saw you. You are so beautiful. You're all I've ever wanted. Tell me about this person's energy. may have ghosted you. Something, a tower. Love. I don't understand this. Did they betray you? This person, they're hiding their love. They're spying. This person could have betrayed you. They could have cheated on you. They could have, this could be lies and deception. They're stressed out. Oh my God. They could have married another lover. Hangman. Or that was the plan, was to marry you or something like this. They're longing for this. See, there's that fire energy. With the Temperance, it could be that you have fire in your chart. With the Temperance, it's looking like it could very well be a Sagittarian. Or you have that in your chart. They see you as wish fulfillment. This is the Emperor. What, they just like abandon the connection? King of Wands. That is soulmates right there. King and Queen of Wands. And they're not looking at each other. Their backs are turned to one another. The Queen of Wands is looking at the star. And the King of Wands is looking at the Five of Pentacles. They got other stuff going on in their life. So they may have left the Queen of Wands because they felt that there was a lot on other things were going on. What these other things that are going on is that they're very stressed out. They could have been cheating with another lover, and they could have betrayed you, or the fact that people were gossiping and being deceptive about something. What's this person got on their plate? What's this person got on their plate? Could be finances. Dealing with others. Well, they could have been dealing something to do with work. So they got problems on the job. They got problems going on at work. They might be having problems with past people in their life. It could be to do with finances. They're working really hard here. Yeah, they got all kinds of stuff going on with other people here. They got all these masculine energies here. These could be business partners. These could be people in their community who are relying on this person, or it's something to do with their work and their finances. What's going on? It is a business. Money. So they might have a business, or they might be self-employed, or whatever they do for their work. It's like it could be hit and miss. It's looking like they either go from feast or famine. It's feast or famine that I'm getting. So this person could have like seasonal work, where they do really, really well in certain months, and then they're like scraping the bottom of the barrel in other months. It's to do with their work and their finances, and they might have had to borrow a lot of money or loan a lot of money. Family. They could have a family business. Having to make a lot of purchases, having to like reinvest their money in a business. I don't know. They got a lot going on. They might have had an ex or something like that who was trying to take control of their business, their finances, and they're pissed off and they're angry. Now, this person either walked away from you because of financial pressure, or it's like this masculine, it's family that they're dealing with. A family crisis, a family dilemma. It could be that they're dealing with like an ex of theirs that's given them a hard time financially, or is trying to like take over their business or their finances. You're over here all confident, single. I don't know. People could have been judging you, Gemini. I don't know. Oh, Jesus. Fighting, arguing, rowing, one-upping, some kind of drama, some kind of fight and conflicts. And it could be to do with an ex of theirs or something like that. Like, it's about business. So they might have like a joint ownership or something like that with business partners. It could be an ex of theirs who they've divorced, who's trying to go after their money, go after their business. Something like this is going on. It's a family affair. Could be about splitting assets, or it could be about this person's got a lot going on their plate. And they are openly saying that whoever this Empress energy is, and I know they're an Empress because they're the Emperor, it's like there's a bunch of rowing going on with family members and finances, and they could have cheated and they could have gotten another lover, and they may have even gotten another lover pregnant. But it's caused nothing but mayhem in their family dealings, their business dealings. my God. I think this person thought it was easier to grab a third party so you would hate them, to make you hate them, so that they didn't have to tell you what was going on. I don't know if they were ashamed, if they were embarrassed. They wonder if you still think about them the way they think about you. They spy on you from afar, wanting to know. It could be on your social media, wanting to know how you are. They actually could have gone and married someone else or committed to someone else. Now, it could be because there's a child involved. I'm not sure. They could have blocked a Sagittarius, or you could have blocked a Sagittarius, or they blocked a Sagittarius. Because they got too many responsibilities and commitments. And the thing is, like, they could have blocked this person thinking like, okay, well, I'm going to make them hate me. I'm going to make my person hate me because it's going to be easier than telling them the truth. I knew it was the Empress. Shut down. Just completely shut down. This could be insecurities. They know darn well you deserve something, but they ended something. And they're ashamed, they're embarrassed, or they're guilty. Somebody was manipulating, and they're insecure. So this person felt like it was easier to make you hate them. This also, I believe, came out in the Sagittarius read. There's no coincidence there. I'm not reading for Sag. This is a Gemini reading, so I'm not... I pretend that I'm happy without you, but the truth is I'm heartbroken. I'm too stuck in my ego. I still have to learn a lot. I know that disappointing you. I know I'm disappointing you. And that you want to talk, but I'm just not ready. I was already damaged when we met. That's why everything got so messed up. So they're saying, like, they say you don't know what you got till it's gone. The truth is, I always knew exactly what I had, but I thought I would never lose it. I'm sorry, I really messed it all up. I have nothing to offer you except my love. I just don't know if that'll be enough. I feel unworthy and insecure. I wasn't honest about my feelings for you because I was afraid that you would reject me. So they're embarrassed and they're ashamed. I think that this person has got a lot of financial responsibilities, a lot of financial pressures on them. They could have gone and cheated. They could have met someone else. Hell, they could have even committed to someone else and married someone else. Everything always happens for a reason. That's how I know that this separation was all planned to bring us closer together in the end. I want you back because I know we're meant to be together. I wish I could be brave and tell you that I still love you and that I want you in my life forever. They're saying my life may seem like I got it all figured out, but the truth is that is a one big mess. I feel so lost and I just don't know what else to do. They keep saying everything happens for a reason. They're going through a difficult time. I'm trying to heal my issues and slowly become the person you deserve. I have made so many mistakes in the past, and now I'm trying to fix them. Do not take it personally. It is really me that has the problem. They're saying that they were damaged when they met you. And they may have put on a good front, but they got problems. They messed everything up. They may have cheated. They may have lied. They may have saying that this person is trying to look out for you. I hurt you because it was easier for me. It was easier for me for you to hate me than to tell you the truth. This person could have been lying about their finances too. Like, they could have been lying about how much money they had. They may have portrayed themselves of having more than what they actually own. Because they're saying, I have nothing to offer you but my love. It's looking like this person's getting professional help. They were damaged when they met you. And they go, I know it seems like I got my shit together, my life together, but they're not together at all. Good luck.